How to find app permissions settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find app permissions settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll until you find here this one apps, and then press apps again. Now just select any app you want like Messenger, and here you will find permissions. Here you will find it, click on it, and here we will find app permissions settings, and you can manage here any permission you want like camera or contacts, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.